Welcome to How To in Under 2. Today's How To, Hollandaise. Before we get started, hit the subscribe and like button. Stay until the end of the video for the recipe and extra tips. Start by melting the butter in a pan and then place into a jug and set aside. Separate the eggs and place the yolks into a metal bowl with the vinegar. Put some water into a pot and bring it to a simmer. Place the bowl with the egg on top of the pot and begin to whisk. Whisk the egg yolks until they become thick and creamy. Then remove the bowl from the heat and slowly add the butter and continue to whisk. Squeeze in the lemon juice. Season with some salt and pepper. Keep the hollandaise warm until needed. Thank you for watching the video today. If you have any comments, please comment down below. Also remember to like and subscribe for any more how-tos in under 2.